Texas man is under arrest 2 years after an investigation started in Omaha.
33-year-old Kevin Jackson was first wanted for allegedly taking video of women's skirts in a store. Then police say they found graphic videos on his phone of children being sexually assaulted.
KETV Newswatch 7 Sarah Feely was in court as he made his first appearance before a judge. She joins us live.
Police say a Target loss prevention employee spotted Jackson recording women inside the store in 2022, calling police there. A warrant says the search of his phone for those videos led police to a disturbing discovery.
State arrest is Kevon Jackson.
33-year-old Kevon Jackson stands before a Douglas County judge facing several felonies.
Charged with 10 counts of possession of child pornography.
Prosecutors say the investigation started in July of 2022 at a Target near 72nd and Dodge.
Police department was called by Target Security for blackmail and seen recording what is found of females dressing in shorts.
They say the worker was familiar with Jackson.
Security indicated that he'd seen the defendant do this before at other stores. The defendant admitted to having a phone on record mode but refused to show officers what was recorded. 2 phones.
Police took 2 phones from Jackson with a search warrant finding child sexual assault material.
Fathers of prepubescent children engaging in sexual acts involving penetration of children by adults and other children.
They say one video shows a child as young as 4 being sexually assaulted by an adult man. Prosecutors say there were other concerning finds.
Several notes on the defendant's cell phone, most recently in May 2022, some of the images and descriptions of girls where they attended school where he detailed them to, and sometimes this is a license plate. It was also in there to describe a plan to abduct someone, sexually assault them.
The public defender says Jackson is a CNA who's been working in that role for 16 years, and he denies the allegations. They say he's staying in Omaha with a friend, but prosecutors worry if he gets out, he might run. Only arrested yesterday on a warrant from 2022.
My file indicates the defendant's a traveling nurse. He has all of his prior law enforcement contacts of Texas, birthplace listed as Texas. I believe he has limited contacts in the community, and the facts in this case are concerned.
Jackson was given a $150,000 bond. That means he's got to pay $15,000 to get out. He's expected to be back in court in June, and if he's convicted on all 10 charges, he faces a maximum of 200 years in prison. Reporting live at the Douglas County Jail, Sarah Feely, KETV Newswatch 7.